Planning a trip to Kuala Lumpur and not sure where to stay? Hi, welcome to Hyatt House Mont Kiara! Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, Kurtashing Adventures, and for today's video, we will show you why Hyatt House Mont Kiara might be your best choice of stay in Kuala Lumpur. This hotel is perfect for travelers who want comfort, convenience, and accessibility. And the best part, it's right in Mont Kiara, one of KL's most vibrant neighborhoods. Let's start with the check-in process. It was pretty smooth and easy, but you have to remember that they do require 100 Malaysian ringgit deposit upon check-in, which is refundable when you check out. The staff were really friendly and helpful, which made the process quick. And here's a nice touch. In the lobby, they offer complimentary welcome drinks like juice and water to refresh you right after your journey. It's such a thoughtful little detail that makes you feel at home right away. Now let's have a quick room tour. We are staying at the 32nd floor, room 3218. This is a one-bedroom suite with one king bed and sofa bed. Hyatt House is designed for long and short stays. That's why the room looks like a modern service apartment. First, you will see a dining table. You can enjoy your meals in your own space, or you can also use it as your working desk. And my favorite part of the room is the fully equipped kitchen. Meron ditong sink and provided na din yung dishwashing liquid and sponge. They also have a stove here, kaya pwede ka magluto ng food ninyo. Provided na din ng instant coffee, tea, and of course, meron din silang electric kettle. They even have a coffee maker here, kaya lang hindi namin nagamit since wala kaming coffee beans. They also have here a dishwasher, kaya hindi ka naman hihirapan to wash the dishes manually. Meron na din dito mga cutleries that you will need and even the pans that you will need for cooking. Meron ding microwave so it's easy to reheat your food. Provided na din nila yung iba't ibang tablewares like glasses, plates, etc. that you will need to prepare your food. Meron din sila ditong malaking fridge where you can store your food. They also provide purified drinking water and they refill it every day. And another thing that we love about this room is meron na ditong washing machine, so you can wash your clothes before going home. In the living area, it's very spacious, meron ng TV at comfortable na sofa bed. At nighttime naman, you can convert the sofa to bed para pwede ka nang matulog dito. Inside the bedroom, it has a large, cozy king-size bed, bedside tables, lamps, and another TV for late-night movies. Meron din ditong mga sockets to charge your devices and the telephone to contact the hotel. The wardrobe is spacious too, and inside you'll find the safe, the iron and ironing board, na super handy if you're staying a few days and need to freshen up your clothes. Meron din ditong bathrobe and in-room sleepers. At ito naman ang view from the window. Inside the bathroom, it comes with a walk-in shower, meron na ding mga fluffy towels, hair dryer, and the toiletries are all provided. It feels modern, clean, and functional. Now let's head up to the 37th floor. Definitely one of the best parts of staying here at Hyatt House Mont Kiara. Up here, you will see the 1037 Sky Bar overlooking the Mont Kiara. However, it only opens at nighttime. You will also find the rooftop infinity pool with amazing views of Kuala Lumpur skyline. It's perfect for morning swim, a lazy afternoon dip, or just to relax while taking the city lights at night. Meron din ditong shower area so you can change to dry clothes after swimming. You can also find the fitness center in this floor, so you don't have to miss your workout while traveling. Open to for 24 hours. Imagine exercising with that city view in front of you. They also have a laundry area here, and you can also find the ice dispenser and drinking water inside this room. And if you feel a little bored, meron din sila ditong game room where you can spend time to chill and play some games. Good morning guys! So, nandito kami ngayon sa breakfast na itong Hyatt House. Ito yung restaurant nila. It's located at first floor. Ayan, so...
Hi, good morning!
Ito yung restaurant nila. It's a little bit smaller compared to other restaurants ng mga hotel. So, let's take a look kung ano yung mga choices ng food. So, merong mga sausage, bacon, is this fries? Ayan. Over here, Pao Chow Kung Fu. I think this is
roast bulgogi chicken.
Chicken, roast bulgogi. This is roast goma vegetable siya, cauliflower. And then these are the Malaysian local food. May nasi lemak dito. Ayan, so nasi lemak, meron siya nitong dilis, may peanut, may cucumber, tas yung rice. This one is sambal. Ito yung maanghang. And the other one is lamb curry. Ayan, yung mga local delicacies dito sa Malaysia. They also have Indian section here. Ayan, now veg dal. Ito parang puto. Ano mo yan? Idli. Idli daw yan. Mukhang puto. This one. Veggie dal. Veggie dal. And baday. Ano kaya yung baday? Parang tinapay.
Parang donut?
Parang donut na kalahati lang. And parang siopaw naman to. Kaya pao. Here naman is the noodle station. So, you can make your own noodles. Ito yung mga pwede nyo ihalo. And then, these are the type of noodles na meron sila. And the soup is seaweed soup. This one naman is porridge station. This one is salad. Mga greens. You can make your own salad din. Ito naman yung pastries, bread nila dito. And meron ng mga bakante. Para re-refill. Ayan, Hyatt House Bakery. Meron din sila dong malaking bread.
Let's taste na lang ulit.
These are the milk and cereal section. These are tetarik. At yung favorite ni Daddy, tetarik.
Pero gusto ko yun, yung ginagawa mo siya.
So guys, ay nakakuha na kami ng food namin. Ito yung nakuha namin food. Ayan, nagpagawa ko ng omelette. Meron silang egg station. Si Daddy, meron siyang scrambled egg. Then we have black coffee and cappuccino. Okay, let's start eating. Kain na tayo ng breakfast. Kahapon, hindi kami nag-breakfast dito. Sa cafe kami nag-breakfast. So, first time namin i-try yung breakfast dito. The location of the hotel is also nice. You can visit different cafes and restaurants, which is just a short walk away. Just outside the hotel, you can visit the Sunway 163 Mall. You can also visit KLCC and Petronas Tower, which is about 15 to 20 minutes grab ride. And here's a quick tip. You can book Hyatt House Mont Kiara through Klook at the discounted rates. I'll leave the link in the description box so you can save it on your stay. The room we stayed in cost us 6,300 per night. That is good for 4 people. But there are also smaller rooms that can start at 4,500. So overall, the suite feels more like a home than just a hotel room because you've got everything you need to stay comfortably for a night, a week, or even longer. So if you want to stay in Kuala Lumpur that's both comfortable and convenient, Hyatt House Mont Kiara is definitely a solid pick. Don't forget to check out the Klook link in the description for the best deals. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Follow us in our social media accounts, Dashing Adventures, where adventure never ends. Till our next adventure, goodbye!